Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Parenting in the digital age is no easy task. Between endless social media platforms, online games, and apps, keeping track of your child's online activities can feel overwhelming. That's where mSpy, the ultimate phone monitoring app, comes in to save the day. mSpy is a hugely powerful monitoring tool designed to give you insights into almost every area of your child's online activities and even a few offline ones. Whether you're worried about inappropriate content, cyberbullying, or simply want to ensure your child is safe, mSpy has got you covered. mSpy. It's a powerful phone monitoring app that lets you stay informed about your child's online and offline activities, all while keeping things secure and private. So, what makes mSpy stand out? It's simple. mSpy offers unparalleled access and monitoring capabilities with just a few taps. With only 3 easy steps, and you can start monitoring. Plus, mSpy feeds you the latest information, updating as often as every 5 minutes. mSpy also uses bank-grade encryption to transfer the information. That means only you can access it. You can track social media usage on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and more. Plus, you can monitor text messages, call logs, and even deleted messages. Plus, to view browsing history to ensure your child is staying safe online, as well as to set up keyword alerts for sensitive topics. But it doesn't stop at online activities. mSpy also helps you stay in the loop with your child's offline world. With its location tracking, it lets you see where your child is in real time. Plus, with geofencing alerts, it's notify you if they enter or leave specific areas, like school or home. Plus, app usage control allows you to block or limit apps that may distract or harm your child. Ease of use is another reason parents love mSpy. Installation is quick and hassle-free, and the intuitive dashboard makes it easy to navigate through all the features. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, mSpy ensures you can stay informed without any headaches. Simply create your account on mSpy with simply entering your email. Then choose the plans that work for you, your family, and the devices you use. Once you've paid for your subscription, you can log into your control panel and view their activity. Easy as that. Now let me show you how does the mSpy dashboard looks like, and let me show you some of its features as well. The first thing you'll see on the dashboard is a clean and organized activity overview, which gives you quick access to recent calls and messages, the most visited websites, latest social media activity. It's like a snapshot of your child's day-to-day online behavior, right at your fingertips. Need to check who they've been talking to? The call logs and messages section shows a full list of incoming and outgoing calls with timestamps, the duration of each call, text messages, including deleted ones. It even allows you to see the contact names saved on their phone. In the Photos and Videos section, you can view all the photos, videos, and audio files stored on their device. This helps ensure they're not sharing or receiving inappropriate content. Want to know where they've been? The Wi-Fi network section shows every network their phone has connected to. The keyword tracking feature is a game changer for proactive parenting. You can set up a list of keywords or phrases like bullying, meetup, or danger. If these words appear in their messages, browser searches, or apps, you'll receive an instant alert. This lets you intervene quickly and keep them safe. Under the Installed Apps section, you can see a detailed list of every app on their device. Want to know where they are? The GPS location tracking feature displays their real-time location on a map. Plus, the geofencing tool lets you create safe zones like home or school. If they leave or enter these areas, you'll get an instant alert. Social media plays a huge role in kids' lives today. The social media monitoring feature lets you read their conversations across platforms like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, etc. Not only can you see messages they send and receive, but even the ones they've deleted. The screen recorder feature is one of the most powerful tools in mSpy's arsenal. See exactly what your child is doing on their phone in real time. Watch videos of their interactions with social media, chats, or other apps. Even if they delete messages or try to hide their activity, the screen recorder captures it all for you to review later. Plus, the browsing history section helps ensure their online safety. In today's fast-paced, connected world, staying informed about your child's activities is more important than ever. With mSpy, you're not just monitoring, you're empowering yourself to keep your loved ones safe. So why wait? Click the link in the description to try mSpy today and take the first step toward a safer digital experience for your family. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.